Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to do a very special pour. Someone in the art community who was a great artist, a great paint pourer. Erika from Erika Art has gone to the great beyond. So she was known for her flower pours. She did beautiful art. Probably one of the first ones that I saw on YouTube when I first started to do this. And I know one of the very first pours I did was a reverse dip. So in her honor today, I'm going to do a reverse flower dip. I don't have the exact cup that Erika used, but I have something that I'm going to use in lieu of it. So I'm going to start with a black background today. And I'm not going to do too much talking because there's a lot of pouring here, so I probably will put on some music in the background at some point and let you just enjoy the pour and the music for a little relaxation. This is a very relaxing pour in itself. Just going to use a few colors here today. I think when you see this, when it's done, if it comes out anywhere near what I'm hoping for, well, let's see what it looks like when I'm done, and then we'll talk about everything else. So I'm going to be using Golden's benzo, I can't remember, benzodiazolone yellow medium. I'm going to be using Artist Loft, I think it is, orange. I'm going to be using Golden Pyro Red. And the background is Amsterdam Lamp Black. Okay, that's all good. A little torch, if there's any bubbles. Looks all clear to me. And this here was part of I took it out of my kitchen as I usually do. Hope I get that right in the middle. It was part of a juicer. I did test it on a little piece of paper before, and it seemed to work out pretty good. So hopefully this will work out now. I guess I should give it a little shake. Okay, Wish me luck. And this is, I believe it's Orteza copper or Amsterdam copper mixed with a little 24 karat gold. Wish me luck. Wish me luck, wish me luck. Okay, let's see. Let's see, let's see. A minute. think this came absolutely beautiful. I think it's worthy of a tribute to a beautiful artist who did great work. I thank her for all the beautiful art she left to all of us and all her great accomplishments. My deepest condolences to her family and to her dear friend, Fiona, who misses her the most. I'll come in for a close-up. In the meantime, thank you all for coming today. I'll leave a link to her beautiful art. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Please take a moment to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Hope you like the close-up here. Donna from Hollywood, signing off.